I heard you clean toilets in
That is
that true? How true is that?
You saying that, you know what I'm going to call that?
What?
It's illiteracy. Because most of you guys down here, when you see somebody wearing a scrubs, in abroad, you think that the person is a cleaner or something like that. And do you know why people, some people don't even want to accept the fact that I'm a healthcare professional, because they thought that I'm a vagabond or something. They didn't expect me to be in that field. That's why they want to put that thing on me.
That's the reason why I want to know. Yeah. We know the truth in it.
I got you, but not necessarily you. Anyone who will say that is illiterate.
Did you guys hear that?
Checks. Yeah, you got to do your checks before you say something. Because in America, it's not easy to become what I've become.
Girls are loud.